Hello, hi. You are highly welcome to this class. This is mathematics class, and if you this is the first time of you joining our classes, you are highly welcome. If you have been participating in our classes, you are also highly welcome. Today we are continuing our study of combination, and in particular we are looking at the symmetric property of combination. In our previous class, I stated the symmetric property of combination, which is also written on the board here, that n combination r is equal to n combination n minus r. So if you observe, what you have up here must be the same. You have n, right? N is a number, a positive number. So, and we are having n combination r. And we are saying that this n combination r is equal to n combination n minus r. So we'll use this symmetric property to solve a problem on symmetric property of combination. So how do you know that this problem is talking about the symmetric property of combination? You have two combinations that is equated to be the same, which means you have two combinations and you have that the first one is equal to the second one, and you observe that your n is the same in both of them. So like in this example I have here, I have 9 combination x plus 2 to be equal to 9 combination x minus 3. If you observe that what you have up here is 9, and what you have up in the second combination is also 9. So in this case, n is what? 9. In our previous class, I told you that you can represent your combination in this notation or in this bracket form. So what is up is always your n, and what is down is always your what? R. So if it is the symmetric property of combination, if it is a problem that has to do with symmetric property of combination, you are going to have that the first combination is equal to the second combination, and what you have here up here, which is your n, is the same with the what you have up in the second one, which is also n. So n must be the same. So with this, we can look into this example, which is the second example we are solving on this topic, and we'll go straight to the solution. So by the symmetric property of combination, we have that n combination r. So it means that the first combination you have, whatever you have below is your what? R. So in the first one, I have 9 combination x plus 2. What I have below here is x plus 2. So x plus 2 is my r. So I'll say that r is equal to x plus 2. Then from our observation, we are saying that this first one is equal to n combination n minus r. It means in the second combination, what you have down below is your n minus r. So look at the second combination here. In the second one, I'm having 9 combination x minus 3. So what I have below here is x minus 3. So x minus 3 will be equal to this n minus what? R. So that n minus r is equal to x minus 3. So what is n? N is what you have up here, which happens to be what? 9. And it must be the same in both combinations. So I have 9 here, I have 9 here. So my n is 9. So I'll write 9 in place of n. Then I have minus r. What is our r? I've already written it. The r is what you have below in the first combination. What I have below here is x plus 2 is this r. So that I'm doing n minus r. So I will do 9 minus x plus 2. I'm putting it in brackets because I have that r is two quantities, x plus 2. So I put in bracket so that later I will use this minus to open the bracket. Then this is, I have equal to here, and I have at the right hand side x minus 3. So we can use the minus to open the bracket. Then I have 9 first. Minus multiply positive x is negative x. So I have minus x, and minus multiply positive 2 is negative 2. So I have minus 2. So I have equal to here. Then I'm having x minus 3. So this is now a simple equation that you can collect letters to one side and numbers to one side. So I can move letter x to my right hand side and move numbers to my left. So at the left hand side I have 9 and I have minus 2. Then minus 3 is at the right, which is not at the left. I'll move minus 3 to come to the left. It changed to what? Plus 3. So I'll move numbers to my what? Left hand side, and I'll put equal to sign, which means I'm moving letters to the right. So I have x at the right. Then if I move minus x, which is at the left, to the right, it changes to what? Plus x. So I have here 9 minus 2 plus 3. 9 minus 2 it will give us what? 7. And if you add 3 to 7, you are going to get what? 10. So I'm going to have 10 is equal to, if you do x plus x, you are going to have 2x. Then what is the coefficient of x, which is this 2 multiplying x? So I'm going to divide both sides. Divide both sides by that 2, which is the coefficient of x. So you write the first quantity here 10 and do it over 2, and equal to half the second quantity here is 2x and do it over what? 2. We have divided both sides by the coefficient of x. So we have the first thing we have here is 10 divided by 2, which will give us what? 5, to be equal to, if I divide this, 2 will divide 2, remaining what? X here. So I have, therefore, my x, which we are looking for, is equal to what? 5.